Okay guys, hello. Okay, so I was making this video that you're gonna watch right now. So, but it kind of like messed up, so two times actually. It was really bad, but I just want to say this. 2018 was the best year, in my opinion. I'm looking forward to 2019, okay? So, let's go on with the video. Okay, so we unboxed this, which is, nut crack shot. It comes with its own pickaxe. Some of them do, some of them don't. It's not really an argument. And also this one, the default king. Craig was, but you know what I mean. But it still has no backbone. It has its OG pickaxe. But we're gonna get started on Moonwalker right here. See, it's pretty nice. Okay, let's just open it. Don't have any time. Okay, it might be a little stuck, but I'll try to get it out. Oh, there's one there. So it does look like a good skin. Okay. Okay, from the start, it has no pickaxe. It's doing that little thing with his arms. It has a pretty good skin, and also it does have its little own back bling. It's the astronaut back bling. Very good. But that's it, guys. Wait, hold on, let me just line them up and then get like a kind of like intro. I mean, like thumbnail, real quick. I can't even stand up. Hold on. Okay. Okay, but yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, but guys, I have to end it over here, so yeah, guys, I want you to have the best year of your life, so make it happen, and peace out, guys, bye.